Hey, what's up guys? So this is Vikas and you're watching Computer Freaks, and in this video we're gonna see how you can install a WordPress theme. So let's start. So this is the default design of the website, and if you want to change this design you can do it easily. So first go to dashboard, and in the dashboard you will see appearance, and in the appearance click themes and then click add new, and you will see a lot of themes here, and you can also search for a theme in the search box. So I will search Go and then click on the theme that you have searched. You can also preview your theme here, and you can install your theme by clicking install. So it will take a bit time, and then click activate. Okay, so refresh your page and a new theme is now installed on your web page. Okay, second case, if you have searched for a theme and can't find here, then you can also install by just googling the name of the theme that you want to install. So I will search blogging WordPress theme and then pick a theme that you want to install. Suppose I want to install this theme, and download the zip file of the theme, and then again go to themes and then click add new, and then click upload theme, and then choose file that you have downloaded. So I will choose a file. Okay, and then click install now. Okay, so the theme is installing, and then click activate. Click refresh, and you will see the new theme is now installed. Suppose if you want to delete a theme, then click on the theme that you want to delete, and you will see a delete button in the bottom right corner. So click delete and then click OK. Done. So this is how you can install a WordPress theme, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching.